sharing with you guys some Valentine's Day gifting options, although I'm a staunch believer that you do not need to have one particular day to show your love, but you must show your love to your loved ones throughout the year by doing little tiny special things once in a while. But I know a lot of you guys love to celebrate Valentine's Day, so today I have about 20 gifting options for both men and for women, and I would also like to state the fact that none of these gifts are in particular for a boyfriend or a girlfriend. They're more like even if you want to gift it to your father or your brother, or just a normal friend as well. Valentine's is all about love. No one said it's about like a romantic sort of a love. As a matter of fact, I would like to share my own little personal story. So my first ever Valentine's Day gift from my side was to my dad, and it was like my forever Valentine. I wrote on it like my Valentine forever, and that I truly believe in it. So that was my first Valentine's Day gift ever. My mom has still the wrapping paper on which I wrote, and I think I was in 3rd standard or 4th standard when I did that. So yes, I totally believe that you can gift anyone on Valentine's Day. It's all about love, so show your loved ones some love. So without any further ado, I'm gonna start my video. I've tried to keep the products as unisex as possible so that you both can use it, both can be any one of the both. I will talk about the products that I've specifically thought from like a romantic viewpoint. So yeah, I'll get to that point when I show you guys the products, but I've tried to keep them unisex. I have only like one makeup product in there to just minimize everything, because I keep talking about makeup a lot on this channel because we're makeup lovers here. But yes, once in a while everyone likes to take a break away from makeup. So yes, I'm gonna start with the first gifting option I have for you guys. It's a candle. A candle is amazing gift for anyone, for your mother, father, brother, sister, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, mother-in-law, father-in-law, insert every relationship possible on this planet. So yeah, it's a great gift to give to anyone. This one in particular is a fragrance candle. It's from Kama Ayurveda, and I believe Kama Ayurveda does some of the best candles of all time. And oh my god, this fragrance is to die for. Like, so relaxing, so amazing. Like, I don't even need to burn it. It already filled my room with the fragrance. I love Kama Ayurveda's candles. So yes, candles are always a nice option, and plus they're very romantic as well if you are looking at it from a very romantic viewpoint. So you can just light up some fragrance candles and your room would be all nice and romantic and kind of all of that jazz. Also, if I didn't already mention, this video is in collaboration with Nykaa, but all of the opinions are my own. The main reason I feel you can also shop online is that you can also like directly deliver these goods to someone else's house. I'm not giving anyone any weird ideas. I'm sorry if you have young daughters at home who shouldn't like be listening to such stuff. I am just like, why am I even saying all of this? Just like, it's a good gifting option, guys. Okay, let's just like keep it at that. Then another candle option that I have for you guys is from Pure Sense. This is their macadamia hand poured body massage candle. Now this is a very interesting product. It's very interesting. This is what it looks like. I've already done like a first impression review sort of a thing on this. So it's actually a candle which is made of like a body massaging wax. So when you burn it, the wax melts, and then you can like use the wax to apply on your skin and moisturizer as well. Now this can be a good gift to anyone again, but from a romantic viewpoint also. You can have like a spa night with your beloved one. You can burn this candle, take in the aroma first, which is very relaxing, and then you can like massage yourself with the wax and the partner as well if you wish to. If you don't, you can just like massage yourself. This is going to be a really awkward video. I'm like already thinking of my mom watching this and being all like, okay then. But yeah, I am just stating all of these for video purposes. This is hazards of working in such a sphere. Oh my gosh. Talking about spa nights, another affordable and great gifting option is sheet mask. My favorite Abba Innisfree, you already know it. So I would suggest going for the rose variant for Valentine's Day, because rose, just like it goes with the theme. Plus the fact I live with 3 men, so I know how it gets with men and them putting on face masks. They're all like, I don't have time, I can't wait, it's so dry, it's so this, it's so that. So these are like a great gifting option as well, because this requires no effort whatsoever, and we all know how boys are when it comes to efforts with their skin. So yeah, this requires zero efforts, and plus the fact your face won't get dry or hard, and you don't really need to wait for a really long time as well. So this is a great gifting option for guys as well. Also, I would like to say you can either gift one particular thing from this video, or you can, like, you know, combine a couple of things and then gift it to your beloved one, which is again a great idea as well. It's all up to you. My work right here is to give you gift ideas which are easy and practical and actually useful. Like, honestly speaking, I love getting flowers, but they're not useful in the sense of that they wither after a few days. These gifting items are actually useful. These are what your partner or any beloved person can actually use, and they would remember you while using them. So yes, it's my idea of gifting is something useful. Alright, that's like this is just me. While we are talking about spa night, I have another Pure Sense product. This is the Tranquil Sleep Spray, again in the same variant of macadamia. Now this is again a very interesting product. Pure Sense does like really interesting products. I have done a video on it. I will leave a link for you guys in the bottom bar if you haven't already seen it. Now what this is, this is a tranquilizing sleep spray. It's supposed to calm your nerves down, and you're supposed to spritz this on your pillow before sleeping. So if you are looking for like a nice spa night with your partner, you can definitely spritz this on your pillow covers, your bed sheets, and you know, the whole atmosphere will be really nice, soft, romantic if you are planning that way. Or you can gift it to your parents as well for them to use, because I know our parents, like mid-aged people, not old, not young, have issues in sleeping and stuff like that. So it's a great gift for them as well. Again, you can gift like these gifting options to your parents as like a Valentine's Day date gift as well. I love those things. Like, it's kind of so sweet to set up a date for your parents. I love doing that. I love sending them to the spa, a couple spa thing. I love doing that for them. So yeah, you can like get these things for them and like plan a date night or spa night for them. So yes, again, another idea that you can do for your parents or for your parents-in-law. You know, just giving you good ideas. If you are a bahu who's trying to impress a parents-in-law, if you're like a newlywed and you really want to make your mark, you can definitely do this for your parents-in-law. Oh my gosh, I am such a creep. Like, this video is going to be creepy as hell. While we're at body care and stuff like that, I have this Velvet Silk Body Cream from Forest Essentials. This is what it looks like. It's a luxurious gifting item. I won't say that it's very affordable or anything like that. I am currently using this, and it's an amazing cream. It's very moisturizing, very hydrating. Your skin feels very rich, luxe and stuff like that. And the fact that the fragrance is quite unisex is the best thing. It has a mildly aftershave like fragrance, so even the men in your life can use it without feeling girly. Again, I do not mean that's taken from the viewpoint of a sociologist, because as a sociologist it's extremely wrong to make that statement in the first place. But yes, it has a unisex fragrance, so you and your partner, father, mother, anyone can use it. Going with my streak of spa night and stuff like that, I have this Kama Ayurveda Orange Pure Essential Oil. This is aromatherapy oil, and what this is supposed to do is, again, just to make your environment really nice and very mellow and stuff like that. And orange is such a beautiful fragrance. I can already sniff it through the bottle, and I am in love with what the fragrance is like. And then all you need is like a nice diffuser. You can just pour a couple of drops on top and then light a candle right here, and then your whole room will be filled in with a beautiful aroma. This is very affordable, and I think this is very affordable. Let me just tell you guys how much this is for. So this is for 350 rupees, which is very affordable as well, and it's an amazing product. It's very highly concentrated, so it really just fills in your room with such a beautiful aroma that you guys are gonna love your spa nights. But if you're not a very big orange fan, then there are a lot of other variants from Kama as well. I think there's cardamom, there's rose. You can just go to the page. I will have links, as I said, in the bottom bar for you guys, so you can go ahead and check out whichever fragrance you prefer. Next up, I have this Body Shop White Argan Oil Shower Gel. Again, this is a very nice gift, for practical gift for people who love just taking care of their bodies, and even if they don't, then that's what you're supposed to make them do, like take care of your body. The fragrance again of this is extremely unisex, so male and females can use this without any tension, and I really love the moisturizing aspect of this. This is highly moisturizing, and it is beautiful. It just lathers up really nicely. The only down part of it is that its fragrance doesn't last that long, but I have an option for you guys when it comes to fragrance, because I think fragrances are one of the best best gifts that you can give to anyone, and they're like the easiest gifts as well. So the first option I have for you is from Yves Saint Laurent. It's the Opium perfume. The packaging of this has completely changed. I've had this for a while, and we use it like very sparingly because I also have the Opium Itre, so we generally use that. But this is amazing. This is just like I want to sniff this all day long, like all day, all night long. Maybe I'm a drug addict because I'm like sniffing opium in a way. Am I? I don't know. But yes, this is just such a beautiful fragrance. Again, opium is a unisex fragrance. You can use it, your partner can use it, and this stays on for ages. Like if you spritz this on your clothes, then if you don't wash them, or even if you wash them sometimes, then also this remains on your clothes. Like this is crazy. This is just one of the best perfumes out there. This is a true investment piece, and spritz this with very careful hands. Like generally I just spritz like half and done. So it's like 5 spritz in total, and that's like nothing what the quantity of this perfume is. Then coming to more perfume options, if you're looking a perfume specifically for men, then I love the Calvin Klein Euphoria, and you can see how it's like empty because men love it, and you're gonna love it as well if you're a female looking for something for a male person. Obviously if you are living with a male person, you need them to smell good as well. And so yeah, choose a perfume which you would feel is a really nice perfume as well. I love the fragrance of this. It's not extremely masculine or extremely strong. It's a very subtle masculine fragrance, if I hope that makes sense. But yes, this is an amazing perfume. The state of the usage can tell you that as well. It's very nice. I really enjoyed this perfume. Like I didn't enjoy it, I enjoy it when people put it on. You have to trust me on this fact that I legit stopped a dude in a park and asked him what his perfume was, because that kind of a freak I am. I call that perfume Shadi Janak perfume. It was so good. It was just so good. I don't even remember what he replied back to me. Like I used to walk, like the first weight reduction thing that I ever did was walking, and I used to go to this park, and there was this guy who used to come there every single day as well, and every time we used to cross our path, like I was like, oh, this perfume. So this one day I was just like, I stopped and I was like, can you just tell me which perfume do you have on? Like I really need to get that perfume for my dad. And he's like, yeah. He might have thought I was a creep, or I might be hitting on him, but I just wanted to know his perfume. That was all. So yeah, I have like embarrassing stories. I told you guys I am batshit crazy, and I mean it when I say it. So yes, next up, if you're looking for a perfume for a girl in your life, a very beautiful fragrance, specifically like Valentine's Day oriented, is this For Essential Body Mist in the variant Rose and Cardamom. This is what the outer packaging looks like, and from the inside, this is what it looks like. It looks beautiful. It would look beautiful sitting on your tabletop as well, and it's such a beautiful rose fragrance. It's not overly sweet. It's just the perfect rose fragrance, and the undertone of cardamom is the best thing ever. Like trust me, it's the best thing ever. Again, a very beautiful fragrance, a definite yay. I'm gonna give you another shower gel option if you are trying to move towards like a more natural side. Then this Original Source shower gel is amazing product. It has mint leaves, it has tea tree, and it has tingling sensation. It is vegan as well, so if you're a vegan and your partner is a vegan, or your mom and dad are vegan, then this is a very good option to go for. And this is quite affordable as well. This is 100% natural fragrance, 100% with essential oils, and this is like just like a very natural sort of a product. This is what the packaging looks like. It looks really cute, and it smells really fresh as well. With summers coming up, just like they're just like here, they're here. The Delhi this year wasn't that cold at all, like just 1 or 2 days of cold, and it was just like gone. So summers are like right here. This is a great option for summers because it has mint leaves and tea tree in it, so the fragrance and the feel of it is like whoo. So yeah, it's a good option to go for. Then I have another bathing product for you guys. It is the Unwashed Bio Cleanser Conditioner. This is a shampoo and a conditioner all in one. This is SLS, paraben, everything free, like everything bad free. This is supposed to replace shampoo, locks in natural oils and colors, free of harsh sulfates and parabens, moisturizing non-strip cleanser. So yes, again, if you are looking for something more natural and something that is more good for you and your partner, then this is an amazing option to go for. The packaging again is really cute. I really like the packaging, and this is 400 ml, and the price I'm not sure because it got like, when I opened it, the seal just like went everywhere. So I will have like again a link in the bottom bar. I'll try to insert the prices in the bottom bar as well for you guys. I'm not promising anything though. So yes, if you are looking for a nice shampoo which is extremely beneficial for you or your partner or just anyone, then you can go for this. Definitely go for this. Then I have this really cute bathing option for you guys. This is from Bomb Cosmetics and it's the Free Love Bath Bomb. So if you are planning on a weekend getaway or you have a bathtub in your home, then this is such a cute option. It comes in this muffin, I want to say muffin sort of a shape, and then it has whipped cream on top, like not whipped cream but like whipped soap on top. It also has a rose and the theme is love. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. It would be so cute to just, you know, a tiny gift to your partner. It's for 300 rupees I feel, and it smells really beautiful as well. I just want to like sniff and sniff and sniff. I feel like I'm a dog, like I was supposed to be a dog and I was just born as a human. Anyway, this smells really beautiful and it's a perfect gift for Valentine's Day. If you just want to give something tiny and cute and stuff like that, then this is the perfect gift for Valentine's Day. It's so cute, like I just want to eat it, like, but I can't. Then another product that I have from Bomb Cosmetics is this Angel's Delight Shea Body Butter with pure bergamot and geranium oils. This is what it looks like. Again, the fragrance of this is pretty unisex. It's very neutral, it's very balanced, so you and your partner can easily use it. And currently, I guess this is on a buy one get one free offer. So it's great if you also want to gift like multiple people, then you can like just get maximum value out of your money. So buy one get one are always my favorite, like they're my favorite, as cheap as it might sound, but I love it when I have a BOGO offer, be it on pizzas, be it on cosmetics, be it on skincare. I'm just like, buy one get one? Yes! So yes, it's currently on buy one get one, so you should definitely like check the product out because I feel it's a very nice investment piece. Then moving slightly to men's section now, the first gift option that I have for you guys is this Gillette Fusion Hydra Gel Shaving Gel. Again, it's a very practical option, something that the men in your life can actually use, and you can bundle this up with a couple of more things. If you feel this is just too like, what? Like just giving a shaving gel is too less, then you can obviously bundle it up with other skincare products like this one from Fiamma de Wools. It's a face wash, it's a gel face wash for deep pore cleansing and oil control, and this is what it looks like. This is the mini size. I think it comes in a couple of sizes, but yes, this is a very fresh fragrance and it's a gel face wash, so it just really cleanses your skin without like making it too stripped of nutrients and everything. So yes, you can like bundle up different things and gift it to your partner or father or whoever you want to gift it. Then if the men in your life are freaky about their hair, like a couple of men in my life, like my cousins, my brothers, my grandfather, they're all like really freaky about their hair and how it should stay in place, then you can give them this Gatsby Water Gloss Wet Look Gel. This is what it looks like. It's a very huge tub and I guess it's very affordable as well. And what this is supposed to do is just keep your hair in place all day long and give it like a wet sheen like finish, which makes their hair look glossy and everything. They do have a couple of options, like this is the wet look option, then they have other options as well. Gatsby has many options, so you can go through the options and see whatever suits your men perfectly. Now coming to the female side, I have two gifting options for you. The first thing is this Shimbor Extreme Wear Transit Proof Liquid Lipstick. It's a red liquid lipstick. If you're a male who's watching this and you want to get something for your girlfriend, get a red lipstick. That's the perfect Valentine's Day gift ever. Just wrap it with a red rose and it's gonna be just amazing. This is one of the most universal red shades out there. The formulation is just beautiful. It is to die for, and you don't have to think twice like a girl is telling you, so you can like easily go ahead and purchase this without any second thoughts or anything. You go, bro. And then I have a gifting option for you guys which is extremely practical, but you need to be comfortable when you're gifting this, or if you're a girl, you can get this for yourself or for your girlfriend. I'm talking about the Brown Silk Epil. This is the wet and dry epilator. Now personally, I use epilator to epilate my face and get rid of facial hair, but you can use an epilator to just remove hair from your body, hands, underarms. I said body, so it includes everything. So yes, this is what it looks like. This is also an amazing offer. I think it has like 33% off on it, so you can like really get a very nice option. It has 4 different extra heads and it's a wet and dry, both sort of an epilator, and plus the fact it's a chargeable epilator. Like you can charge it for 1 hour and then you can use it without the cord and just like take off hair from your body. That wasn't the best thing, right? Anyway, This is a great gifting option, very practical, very useful, and on a good offer as well. And then if you want a no-brainer, gift sets are the best option. Kama has some like beautiful gift sets. This one is personally currently my favorite. It looks so pretty, like it is extremely beautiful. And on the inside you get 4 products. I'm gonna show you if it opens up. This is what it looks like from the inside. It has the Sanobar collection. So you have the Sanobar hair cleanser, hair conditioner, body cleanser and body lotion. So it's a perfect gift to give to anyone. Sanobar is a very unisex fragrance. So you can gift it to practically, literally, metaphorically, symbolically, anyone on this planet. And now I also want to tell you guys that if you get these from Nykaa and your bill is over 4,000 rupees, you also get this cutesy little pouch. Let me like take it out of the packaging. If you're getting something for a woman, then you can just like keep it in here and then gift it to them, and this would just like look so cute. I just love the pouch. And if you're getting something for yourself for Valentine's, that's the best thing ever. So yes, this is just like a really cute pouch. Nykaa does like the best pouches. I have to say, they do the best pouches ever. So yes, those were my gifting options for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and you hope this little deviation from makeup as well. And if you didn't, don't forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Also, don't forget to check out all of my other social media, which would be listed in the bottom bar as usual for you guys. And I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.